Okay guys, on Chris Does What today, I'm here with Danielle and we're at Werner Boyce, Brandon in the truck, at Werner Boyce Salt Springs State Park, where you can, I guess, see eagles and dolphins.
Too. There's kayaking, there's bicycling, there's trails, there's dog walking, there's, oh gosh, this is like one of those parks you can just, you know, venture out a whole day.
Yeah, and do it all, but there is no RV parking or camping here. So if you're looking for that, this is not the place. You have a $3 entrance fee. It is the honor system, but be honorable and pay your $3. So let's go explore this park, see what it's all about.
No 5-mile walks.
It's not that big.
Right here.
How are the facilities, honey?
They are clean. I'm not going to touch door handles.
And they have a dryer for your hands in there too. So very, very nice facilities. This the bathrooms are on a stilted building, so you get a nice view of the swampy areas of the state park. No 5-mile hike here, honey.
A tidal waterfall?
Oh, that'd be nice. Like. We'll go see it.
5 miles.
Point.
Oh, 0.5.
0.5. Be responsible for your safety.
Alligators are dangerous. Do not swim with alligators. Wow. Ooh, that's pretty.
Brian,
people get in here and swim. Look how nice springs water.
Yes. It's salt water.
They said there's gators. I ain't doing it.
Cauldron Spring. Really looks wildernessy here. Tropical.
Tropical wilderness.
Well, it's January, or almost January.
We have not celebrated that yet.
It's almost New Year's, and it's 80 degrees.
Right. We want to do the spring trails or go see the falls?
I think we want to see the falls. A nice sitting area.
Chair.
Some beautiful landscapes here, though.
Oh, I wish I could camp here.
This would be beautiful. Coming up to Reflection Springs, but we're en route for the waterfall.
We'll look at that in a minute. It's been Fisher's Corner.
And then Salt Springs Tidal Waterfall.
We'll see how big this is.
Well,
I've
the
seen
tide.
some pretty big waterfalls, and we'll see.
Well, the tide is out, so I imagine it's a waterfall when the tide's either coming in or going out.
Probably. Oh, it's hot today.
It is hot today. So.
Oh goodness.
Who would have thought this a few days before New Year's, and we're out here sweating.
It says no swimming or scuba in spring. Where's the spring?
There's the Gator sign again.
Still haven't seen this spring thing they're talking about. Ooh, I think I hear it.
There it is.
That spring's over here, but I think. Yeah, it says tidal waterfalls over there. Ooh, because
We're looking for gators.
I bet you they're in there. I don't know why you didn't so close.
There's no gators. If there would have been gators, it would have been at the other park. Freshwater park.
No gators.
Come over here. Got a head. I need to start there.
Interesting. Here's the, I don't know.
A whale? Nope.
That was a,
I actually have no idea. I hear water.
I have no clue.
Big gob of rocks and cement.
She's out exploring the waterfall. Watch out for the gators, honey. So this is the tidal waterfall.
I bet you it's really big when it's
Yeah, when the tide's really moving. You could kayak through here.
Really? Yeah, I bet you can. It's weird that we're not seeing any kayaks yet. It said it was a mobile birding station. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is either. Hey, a doghouse.
I have no idea.
I think we have reached the end of the trail.
You sure it goes around the This is
The observation tower.
there's water over here.
Yes.
Oh look, wow.
This is the highest point in Florida.
Water. Hello, water.
And so these are all the birds you should be able to see here. That's neat.
It's stuck.
Yeah,
We're on some trail we don't even know.
it is really wildernessy here.
Oh yeah.
So,
There's water over there, so it's some sort of inlet or something.
yeah. And there's, right now it's in the dry season and there's a lot of soft and mushy spots on the trail. So I imagine in the rainy season, this is pretty moist
I imagine.
as we trailblaze through the woods here. I don't know if there's a trail right over there.
Wow, look out.
Yeah, that's the fire line.
That's what it said. When we passed
Well, we'll get on the fire line. This is, Brandon was trailblazing for us.
it.
Alright, so those adventures.
We made it really far. That's where we went in, and this is where we came out. Go head off and check out Red Spring Fisher's Corner.
I don't know what that means.
Nope. And she's off.
Yes.
So which way do we go, babe?
Well, there's the water. Oh, well,
Oh,
I'm guessing Red Spring is this way. Fisher's Corner is that way.
so which do you want to check out?
Let's see what the Fisher's Corner is. There's water over here. So, can you fish? I'm guessing you can fish. Look at this
Well, we
one.
made it to the Fisher's Corner.
What is that?
What's what?
Okay.
I don't know. Some birds over there. The white birds.
It's a camp. It is. Just recorded us forever.
I think that's a buoy for your kayaking. I don't see any other wildlife but birds. Got some people walking down there. And then Brandon went down there.
Right, there's gators.
Here is Red Spring. The tide is down right now, so I guess it's because it's red.
I have no idea. But it is really red right now.
Yeah, if you're kayaking here, they have a point that's supposed to be 300 foot deep. So
It's probably spring water.
That's too deep.
that's too deep.
We're talking about sailing.
It's a little deeper there.
Nope.
Yes, we're going trailblazing. It's just beautiful.
Probably riding bikes through here would be really cool.
We're hazardous.
Oh, there's water again now. Did we just go in a circle? I think we're going around in circles.
No, I think this is new water.
Maybe it's just the other side of it.
Yes. Because with the last trail we were on was a lot nicer than this one. You going swimming, babe?
I think. Wait, we just come over here, didn't we?
No, we didn't. We didn't come over here.
Let's see.
We were over there on that side.
There's fish.
Oh yeah,
Brandon.
What?
that's a
Fish
big
right
one.
there. He's coming out. He's ready. He's ready to be fished. They're there now.
Oh, I saw his tail. How about?
You think you can see your reflection?
Are we not? It's probably low.
Yes, the tide is down. After that real long hike down here, we made it. We're to Reflection Springs.
Over here.
Can you see your reflection, babe? I don't want to break it.
Look at that. Look how clear that is.
Oh, wow.
It reflects the light.
Oh, yeah, it looks really nice.
That's why they call it reflection.
Good bait.
Just hanging out, being like, hey, who's over here catching me?
So this little park is not a bad place just to walk around, get close to nature, see some great wildlife. It's very clean, well maintained.
Yeah.
The trails, nice, a little muddy in points, but it's the outdoors.
And uneven.
Uneven.
You see me going from side to side.
Yes, I already tripped over a root system
I
and
tripped over rocks.
rocks. So, but come check it out. It's a great place to just kayak, explore, bike, hike. It'll be a lot of fun. No camping or RVing though, so
No.
that's the only downside. So they have a little library. Is there any books in there? Oh, look at that. So get your read on here while sitting at a picnic table listening to Toilet Bowl Springs. Nice. There we go.
It does sound like a toilet bowl.
Oh, look at that. It's a little trash can. Nice. Not a bad little campground. I mean, not campground, but picnic area. Bring your charcoal, Get your grill on right here.
That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. I'm starving.
We haven't eaten today. So that's what we're going to do, get our food on. So,
So don't eat and then go take walks, yeah.
So hopefully you like this. I know you can rent kayaks here for, I think it was about $20 for 2 hours, $50 for the day. So not that bad, but not that great.
Kind of spendy, but we
Kinda.
have our own kayak.
Yes.
We want to do that.
But get in here, $3, have a lot of fun, and just explore nature. And maybe you'll see more nature than we did while we were here. But if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. It looks something like this. And if you're looking for great eats, you know, good food.
The angle's bad. There we go. A better angle for me.
If you're looking for great eats, good food, maybe the man I am today, check out DianeWithDanielle.com.
He means healthy.
It is healthy, very healthy. So, and we are kind of close to the road here, and this is just right off 19.
Right.
Right where 52 and 19, so you're pretty good to get here. But y'all please take care, and bye.